right up front for everyone to see. It is today's vehicle of the day. It is the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. And it is one of our latest arrivals here. It's got that great kind of red-orange coloring. Good look on the outside here. Let's head on in. And here we are inside the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. Very comfortable seating with that red trim in the front, the back row as well. We get everything started with the press of a red button. It gets going right away. Infotainment's going. Just put that in reverse. And we have great back cameras, additional angles as well. And we'll take a look at the back here of the TRD Pro. Hold the button down. And it drops down very easily for us. And there it is, the 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro here at Okoboji Motor Company that also has a great sunroof option here and is ready to go home with you today. So give us a call, 712-336-1500 is the number. We'll answer any questions you might have and line this or any of our other options up with you today.